Hi, this is Dr. Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be telling you about the tongue diagnosis. Tongue. It is very interesting part in Ayurveda, the holistic medical science. We always see the tongue of a person and it tells us a lot about what's going inside the body. In this video, I'll be telling you all these things which you can notice by yourself in the house just by looking at the mirror, and you will know what's going inside your body. But there are many myths also going all over around on the internet, on the social sites about the tongue diagnosis. I will tell you in this video the simplest one and the most effective one. Actually, in Ayurveda, tongue is said to be the mirror of the internal organs. What is going inside the body, you can know everything through the tongue. So now let's move forward. Actually, tongue reading is much simpler than the pulse diagnosis. That's why we do it in the Ayurvedic practices. The patient can see where the problem is and also can monitor the changes by themselves. You can do it by yourself also. It is considered as a pillar diagnosis because it provides a clear, visible clue to a patient's pattern of diseases. Since the tongue always reflects the basic underlying patterns, it is extremely reliable, especially whenever there are conflicting manifestations. Whether practicing the Western or the Chinese herbalism, the tongue is a tremendous help in determining which herb to be prescribed in any of the health imbalances. Either it's modern medical science, either it's Chinese, either it's Ayurveda. Tongue diagnosis is everywhere. A little bit of difference, but yes, it is everywhere. So I have said a lot. Now let's move towards the tongue diagnosis, how we will see, what we will see. In this, first is if the tongue is covered by a thick coating, whole of the tongue is covered, it may indicate the presence of the toxins in the stomach or in the small intestine or in the large intestine. Stomach, the whole of the intestine. If they have the toxins, it's not working well, the undigested food is over there, you will never have a clear tongue, you will have whole of the tongue coated. The second is if the posterior part of the tongue is coated, it will indicate that toxins are present in the large intestine only. If it's in the posterior, means large intestine. If the middle part of the tongue is coated white, the toxins are present in the stomach and also in the small intestine. If the middle part means stomach and the small intestine. A pale tongue may indicate the anemia condition, means lack of blood in the body. So coated, we know now. If it's not coated, it's pale, it's not red. This means the body may be suffering from anemia. If the tongue is coated yellow, means a yellowish coating on the tongue may suggest increase in the bile present in the gallbladder or possible liver disorder. Anything yellow means on the eyes if it's too yellow, if in the tongue it's you can see the yellowness, on the body, on the skin you can see yellowness. If even the stool is liquid and yellow, this also indicates the problem in the gallbladder or in the liver. So these are the simple indicators that we should know. A blue tongue is normally indicator of the heart condition. It's extreme condition. If a person has blue tongue, this is serious matter. So these are the simple symptoms that our body tells us. These are the signs. These are the signals given by our body, which we should understand. Now let's move towards how to see the tongue, where to see the tongue, and when to see the tongue. The tongue is best observed in the outdoor light and no sooner than half hour or 1 hour after eating. If needed, use a flashlight to examine, preferably an halogen light. In this way, the best time is in the morning, as I have said. If not in the morning, then you can do it half an hour or 1 hour after eating. In this way, you can check your tongue. I hope when you will see, as you are following me on YouTube, you are seeing these videos, your tongue will be clean without any coating, will be red. Stay happy, stay healthy.